Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're looking at a 2016 GLA 250 4MATIC. This one is certified pre-owned. Under the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder pushing out 208 horsepower. At night we have illuminating star when the lights are on. 18-inch alloy spoke wheels. Black MB-Tex interior. A panoramic roof. Coming around back here we've got our GLA 250 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, all season floor mats and regular floor mats, fold down rear seats. This one is equipped with the Premium 1 package, which gives you heated front seats, memory seats, Harman Kardon sound system, blind spot assist. It also has the multimedia package with Apple and Android CarPlay, steering wheel controls, pedal shifters for extra performance, navigation, backup camera, a burl walnut trim, heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders. This vehicle only has 32,448 miles on it. If you'd like to view more photos of this, check out feldmanimports.com.